Hello learners, welcome to today's session about sargassum. Today we are going to discuss about introduction, importance, taxonomical classification and morphological aspects of this organism. I am Dr. Gurunathan from Kasujayanti College. Let us move into our essay. To begin with, we are going to see few basic aspects related to sargassum. Sargassum is a seaweed most majorly considered as a macroalgae because of its larger size structure, and it belongs to brown algae because of its brown color, and it's commonly known as gulfweed and sea holly. Currently, more than 150 plus species are known about this seaweed, and they commonly inhabit the tropical seas and oceans. Four important species that are commonly found in India have been listed there on the screen. You can just have a look at it. And apart from this, when you speak about sargassum, it is usually found as a free floating organism on the water bodies that form an island. And the island thus formed contains various aquatic species. One typical example is the sargassum fish. Similarly, in Atlantic Ocean, there is a sea which is named as Sargasso Sea, and this sea is filled with floating masses of Sargassum fluitans and Sargassum natans, because of which the water body is named as Sargasso, following the genus name. And due to several human activities such as overfishing, boat traffic, dumping of trash in water bodies, pollution has affected the survival of this Sargassum species members, and we have to be very careful in order to ensure that they are surviving along with us. Why is it so important about this organism? Number one, it acts as an interesting human food. It acts as fertilizers. It is used as agricultural feed, particularly as fodders, and it is also having medicinal values. Not only that, it is finding a wide application in heavy metal pollution reduction, and it is also employed as biogas production source, particularly as a biomass source. And it serves as ecological habitat for several other living organisms which are present in the water bodies such as eel, sea turtles, and other endemic species. When you speak about the taxonomical classification, it belongs to the domain Eukaryota and kingdom Chromista, which is the new kingdom that has been reclassified as. Earlier it was in Plantae, and it belongs to the phylum Phaeophyta and the class Phaeophyceae. It belongs to the order Fucales and the family Sargassiae. And of course, the genus name is Sargassum, as we all know. And when you speak about the morphological future, it has been identified to grow to a length of even several meters, and usually the plant body is dark green to brown in color. That's why it is actually grouped as brown algae. And the entire structure, the whole algal body, which is technically referred as thallus, is found to have a lot of branches, and these branches bear berry-like structures which are called as nematocysts, which are also referred as gas bladders. And these gas bladders or the nematocysts, they are filled with oxygen and they help in the buoyancy of the plant in water bodies. When you speak about the other interesting morphological structural future of this organism, their entire plant body has been classified into three different sections. The first section is called as frond, the second one is called as the stipe, and the third one is called as the holdfast. When you speak about the fronds, they are numerous in numbers. They are basically small leaf-like structures which have toothed edges. When you speak about this type, it consists of a main axis and they are further subdivided into lateral branches. The plant which is attached to substratum is with the help of the holdfast region of the plant body, which is usually broad and discoid in nature. But remember that the mature plants are usually free floating. Only the young ones, right, okay, tend to attach themselves to the solid substratum that may be present in the water body. When you speak about a few more additional details about the morphological structure, when you speak about the stipe, which has which forms the main axis of this organism, there are two branches known. One is called as primary laterals, the other one is called as secondary laterals. In primary laterals, right, okay, they arise from the main axis and have unlimited growth. Whereas when you speak about the secondary laterals, they arise from the primary laterals and they have a limited growth. When you speak about the lateral branches, these lateral branches are further undergoing repeated branching, and these repeated branchings are commonly referred as fertile branches. These fertile branches are also referred as receptacles. These receptacles, they bear flask-shaped cavities which are called as conceptacles that contain the sex organs of this. This slide is describing the morphological structure of an important species of sargassum called Sargassum polysystem, and the whole body, which is nothing but a thallus of the seaweed, is shown in E subsection of the picture. Similarly, the leaves is shown in subsection of A, and stem is shown as C, and holdfast is shown as D, and the vesicles are displayed in subsection B of the picture. With this, we will come to the end of today's topic. Thank you for your listening. Take care.